the honest truth about ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026, okay? And why so many people are struggling to get results and how to fix it. So in this 6-minute video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly as a super affiliate what actually works. So let's go straight into it. You see, first of all, maybe you have been buying some courses from some gurus about ClickBank, about Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and you have failed. Maybe you have tried, you got your ad account disabled, ads rejected, and then you think, heck, it doesn't work, and you forgot about it. Okay, so yes, it's still possible to make money online in 2026. And all you have to do is you have to have someone who can actually help you, yes, help you and support you and hand holding you along the way, one-on-one, step by step. Why? Because you don't know what you don't know. Let me explain to you very briefly, okay? As you know, if you want to have results, you need to have buyers clicks, buyers intent. You cannot just make some weird, ugly website or funnel and expect you're gonna get sales. Why? Let me ask you this. Have you ever heard about criteria of markets? Have you ever heard about emotional states? In copywriting, we know about emotional states very well, about human psychology on a deeper level. Okay? All games, they have deeper layers. Okay, many people just know the surface level. They know, okay, yes, I need ClickFunnels, or maybe I need a WordPress blog page, pre-sale page, landing page, but they don't know what they don't know. Landing page is not about IT. It's about human psychology on a deeper layers of this game of affiliate marketing. What do I mean by that? You see, we have females, we have males. Females and males have different language patterns, different psychology. Okay, we respond to different colors. We respond to different copy patterns, and all this matters. Why do you think that some people make millions online, or they make, let's say, $1,000 a day or $200 a day, and others struggle to make a single cent online? This is the same thing that I'm going to tell you right now. If you have an airplane, okay, would you say airplane is a scam because you don't know how to use it, because you don't know how to take off? When on the other hand, there are pilots flying every single day. You see, this is the difference. Skill set and having someone who can actually help you. Because let me tell you honestly, personally, if I would start from zero again, I wouldn't be buying courses, because courses takes weeks or months to implement. I would rather pay someone to help me one-on-one, give me the template, give me the framework that actually works and converts, and work with them personally. Build personal human relationship, especially in the AI age. Okay, AI cannot do the job for you. Yes, it can help you, but AI doesn't have thoughts, emotions. And let's be honest, is it true? Would you say I'm lying, or I'm telling you the truth, that people are humans with emotional states, with emotions and feelings? AI doesn't have that. So that's the difference. That makes the big difference. Having someone who can actually help you understand and do it with you, and you can fast forward yourself and have real success in 2026 as a beginner, as someone who has maybe failed in the past, maybe you have lost money, and it's not your fault. I'm going to repeat myself, it's not your fault. And the reason why is because you have been following outdated methods that used to work years ago. Okay, let me give you an example. If you're promoting weight loss supplements, yes, it does work, but it's not about pretty images of supplements. No, it's about understanding what, for example, Maria in California at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. is thinking when she's in the bed, scrolling through her TikTok, scrolling through her Facebook. What kind of mindset she's in when she see your ads, when she see your ad appear on Google. Because Google, it's all about buyers clicks, buyers intent, and having the right message to the market match. Message to the market match. Once you have that, you will finally be able to have sales. Yes, it's easy. Yes, it's simple. Once you have someone who can actually show you how to do it correctly. Okay? Like, for example, maybe riding a bicycle or a car, driving a car was difficult for you, but once you got in it, once you got experience, once someone show you how to do it, then heck, you feel now it's easy. And this is how it is with affiliate marketing. You need someone personally, one-on-one, to help you, hand-holding you over the Zoom call, for example, over the call, to give you the exact frameworks you can actually fast forward yourself and skip all the avoidable mistakes along the way, all the stress, all the difficulties. landmines along the way. Okay, so again, if you watch this video, if you want to have results with CPA affiliate marketing, with ClickBank affiliate marketing, with Google pay-per-click ads, even TikTok ads, yes, all it works. But you need to understand psychology of markets, criteria, emotional states, without learning yourself. So all you have to do is connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, and give you the exact framework that actually works in 2026. So as you watch this video, if you want to get the results, you can connect with me one-on-one over the WhatsApp. Yes, I give you my personal cell phone number, email, and Facebook Messenger. All the links are in the description under this YouTube video. So if you're a really action taker, not excuse maker, you have some money to invest in yourself and actually want to make it happen, if you have at least 30 minutes a day beside your 9 to 5, you can do this. Let me know and let's make something happen.